It's more than just restoring smiles. For some, it's a form of art, forcing us to understand how we experience life. Smiling is a way of reducing stress. It is a psychological response that suggests how we express happiness. When we smile, our body releases endorphins to help establish adequate levels of serotonin, which is a natural chemical that combats depression and pain. To confidently smile, one has to first be confident. Researchers would suggest a percentage of Americans are insecure about their smiles. Like a disease, this can mentally affect how individuals go about their daily lives, affecting both confidence and self-esteem. Within dentistry, there are multiple solutions specific to each patient's needs when it comes to restoring smiles. This is just one of them. Although technology has opened many doors in the dental industry, the traditional processes remain as the foundation to restoring patient smiles. This is art, exhibiting true craftsmanship and passion from real hands.
Visit vitalitydentalarts.com.